What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here in the garage doing a new product install from Advanblack. I do have it on my 2019 Streetlight CVO, and it is the Tour Pack Reaper LED in a smoke color. They do come in red, and we're gonna install it on my 2022 Streetlight Standard. Do got the Tour Pack here, but it was missing the LED lights. So I want to thank Alan from Advanblack for sending out this new product for us. Man, I love this thing. This thing is really, really nice. I love the way it looks, and we're gonna open it up and see how it goes. All right, the LED Tour Pack light comes with instructions. Really, really easy to do. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. All right, we opened up the box here. Same as my other video on my 2019 Streetlight CVO. This is the smoke color, and it's got the harnesses and stuff like that that comes with it. Very easy plug and play. You can't mess it up. And you also got the stencil there with the screws as well. And we're about to take this puppy out and then show you guys. All right, it's very well packaged. Love the way it looks. Really, really nice. I'm gonna show you real nice what it looks like on my 2019 Streetlight CVO. It's off right now. Let me turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's gonna be lit up. Love the way it looks. Got that plasma look to it. This is the Tour Pack that I got right here. I already did the holes to it. You put the matching template to it so it could be installed very, very easily. All right, there's the Tour Pack. It has already previous holes that the Tour Pack came with already. But we're gonna redo it, and don't worry about it because it's gonna be covered with the new holes from Advanblack. So always match up the template, go along the side. It has like a tape on there so it could stay on there while you drill the new holes. All right, like I said, just follow the steps right there. Get it down easy and right across. So it evens up right. This is like kind of like how you put the LED light, and it's gonna go right across it. Yeah. Even if you have to take it out again and redo it, there's the little box right there so you could follow the template. All right, there's the hole. There you go. All right. The holes are right here. There's one here, and two over here. So we're gonna just match them up and drill them up. All right, so we're gonna do some drilling really quick. Here we go. Follow the template, what it tells you right there, and drill it right in. Don't be afraid. All right, we're gonna take the template off now because we already got the holes matched up. Now we're gonna get the light and we're gonna put it on here, match it up. Very simple, guys. This also does come with the screws right here. So you can take the screws and just follow the directions as it goes. Very simple, nothing crazy about it. I like to start off with the middle one. So we'll go here with it. All right, we did the holes on there. You got the screws, two over there, one over here, and one over here. Harness we connected right into here for the LED bar. And you have other connections here that I guess you could hook up other stuff to it. This has like a little plastic mat that's gonna go right over it, so it covers all that. And then the tour pack already had a little hole here. So this, it has a little rubber seal so the water won't come in. We're gonna attach that to that and push it in there. And then this is the harness that comes with it. You unplug this one that was connected to that and just bridge off it. That's all you gotta do. One harness, this one and this one was connected together like that. And then this is the one that comes with it. All you gotta do is just bridge it off. All right, so let's turn it on and see how it looks. Let's close this. Sequence right now. I got the hazards on. Real nice. All right, guys, I took both bikes outside. Oh my God, it looks fantastic. Look at that. Full LED tour packs, baby. Looking just right. Like I said, I want to thank Arlen from Advanblack. Make sure you check them out. Go on their website. Really nice LED tour packs, man. The Reaper, and they have them in red and they have them in smoke. Really nice. I love the way they came out. So now they're both looking just right. I'm probably going to be putting the LED on top, just like I have it on my 2019 Streetlight CVO, that light on the top. I'll probably get it done in Daytona. And I'm pretty sure that Advanblack will be in Daytona in March coming up. So make sure you check out their booth. And if you see Alan there, just tell him that Barber CVO sent you and that you saw the video on my YouTube channel. All right. So we're gonna do the hazards now so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so these are with the hazards. That's the Streetlight CVO. And this is the 2022 Streetlight Standard. This one has the full amber on it, all over. And then this one has all red, completely red. Only amber on the top, but you know, so you can see the difference on them. All right, guys, a little late here, but thank you, Advanblack, once again for sending these lights out. And I will be sporting both bikes in Daytona in next month. So like if you guys want to do a meet and greet, like I said, I'll be in Daytona March 5th at the KROME WERKS rig from 1 to 3. And I'm probably gonna be in Daytona either the 8th or 9th or the 10th. One of those days I'll probably be down there. So make sure you check out my Instagram right here, BarberCVO_19 for further places where I'm gonna be at, all right? Advanblack, go get them. Thank you guys, peace out.